DeMar DeRozan joins the Nuggets. Fire six-time All-Star teams up with Nikola Jokic in Denver basketball. DeRozan to Denver on a one-year deal. Is this the missing piece for a championship run? DeMar DeRozan is headed to Denver. Basketball fire. Big NBA news is shaking up the offseason. Six-time All-Star DeMar DeRozan has agreed to join the Denver Nuggets on a one-year deal worth approximately $3.9 million, according to reports from the Associated Press and other outlets. The 37-year-old veteran is entering his 18th NBA season and will be playing for his fifth team. DeRozan arrives in Denver after spending the previous 2 seasons with the Sacramento Kings. He was waived by Sacramento earlier this offseason, opening the door for the veteran scorer to choose his next destination. DeRozan remains one of the most accomplished scorers of his generation. He currently ranks 16th on the NBA's all-time scoring list with 26,711 points, while also ranking 4th among active players. Last season with Sacramento, DeRozan averaged 18.4 points, 4.1 assists, and 2.9 rebounds per game, shooting 49.7% from the field across 77 games. Although his scoring average dropped below 20 points for the first time in more than a decade, his experience and ability to create his own shot still make him a valuable veteran addition. Now comes the exciting part. DeRozan will join Nikola Jokić and the Nuggets. Denver recently lost young wing Peyton Watson in a 5-team sign-and-trade with Cleveland, and DeRozan gives the team another experienced offensive option and veteran presence. Most importantly, DeRozan is still searching for the one achievement missing from his remarkable career, an NBA championship. Could Denver be the team that finally gives DeMar DeRozan his first championship opportunity? With Jokic leading the way and DeRozan bringing nearly 2 decades of NBA experience, this could become one of the most intriguing veteran additions of the 2026 offseason. DeRozan in Denver, Jokic at the center, championship dreams alive, fire trophy. What do you think? Is DeMar DeRozan the missing piece for the Nuggets?